In this question, Mr. Pinto invests 1/5 of his capital at 6%, 1/3 at 10%, and the remaining at 1%, each rate being simple interest per annum. Then the minimum number of years required for the cumulative interest from these investment to equal or exceed his initial capital is question. Now I'm going to take the initial capital as 150x. You can take any variable as the investment, but for easy computation I have kept it as 150x. Now 1/5 of this, so 150x into 1/5, which will give me a 30x, is invested at 6%, and 1/3 of my initial capital, which will be a 50x, invested at 10%, and the remaining, so totally I have already invested 80x, so remaining will be 70x. So 70x is invested at 1% per annum rate of interest. Now I know that my interest, simple interest, can be calculated using the formula PNR by 100. P becomes principal, N becomes the time taken, and R is the rate of interest. So here for the first expression, for the first detail, in principal is 30x, number of years we have to find, rate is 6, divide by 100. So income from this part is going to be 180xn by 100. So next it is 50x into 10 into n divided by 100. So interest will become 500xn by 100. Now from the remaining investment, 70x into 1 into n divided by 100, which is going to be an interest of 70xn by 100. So total interest will be sum of these three interest, 180xn by 100, 500xn by 100, and all added is going to give me the total interest, and the total interest must exceed or equal to the initial investment is the question. So interest will be 750xn by 100. My investment, I have taken the investment as 150x. So this, upon simplification, I'm going to get n to be greater than or equal to 20. Therefore the minimum number of years for this to happen will be what? 20. So the answer for this question is 20 years.